This is not the kind of computer you buy for everyday casual use, and it never tries to pretend that it is. This is a full-scale professional workstation built for people who push hardware to its limits every single day, where stability, performance, and consistency matter more than anything else. What you are looking at here is a Lenovo ThinkStation class system designed for serious workloads like high-end video production, 3D rendering, simulation engineering, and data-intensive computing. And right from the outside, it already feels different. There is no flashy design, no unnecessary lighting, no gaming aesthetics, just a clean industrial chassis built for airflow, durability, and long-term serviceability. Every part of the design has a purpose, and that purpose is sustained performance. Inside is where things get serious. This machine is powered by the AMD Ryzen Threadripper PRO 7955WX processor, a 16-core workstation-grade CPU designed specifically for heavy multitasking and professional workloads. This is not a typical consumer processor. It is built for environments where you are running multiple demanding applications at the same time without slowdowns, whether that is rendering complex 3D scenes, editing high-resolution video timelines, or running large-scale simulations. The key here is consistency under pressure. Many systems can feel fast in short bursts but struggle when workloads become sustained. This processor is designed to maintain performance over long hours without dropping efficiency. Paired with that is 32 GB of DDR5 memory, which brings faster bandwidth and improved responsiveness compared to older generations. This makes a big difference when working with large project files, complex datasets, or multiple heavy applications running simultaneously. And the platform is expandable, which is important because professional workflows do not stay the same forever, they grow, and this system is designed to grow with them. Storage is handled by a 1TB SSD, which completely changes the feel of the system. Everything from boot time to application loading to file transfers feels immediate and responsive. When you are dealing with large media files or project assets, this level of speed is not just convenient, it becomes essential for productivity. This workstation is built on the WRX 90 platform, which is specifically engineered for high-end professional systems. This chipset supports advanced memory configurations, higher stability, and better scalability compared to mainstream platforms. And that matters because this is not just about raw performance, it is about reliability under continuous heavy load. Cooling is another area where this system focuses heavily. Instead of chasing silence or compact size, it prioritizes thermal stability, because sustained performance depends on keeping temperatures under control even during long rendering sessions or heavy computation cycles. Connectivity is also designed with professionals in mind, with support for multiple high-bandwidth devices, displays, and expansion options, meaning the system can easily become the center of a full production setup, whether you are connecting multiple monitors, external storage arrays, or specialized hardware. Now, the important question: who actually needs this level of machine? This is not for light browsing, office work, or casual use cases. This is for creators, engineers, developers, and professionals who work with demanding software on a daily basis. Video editors working with 4K or 8K footage, 3D artists rendering complex environments, CAD designers handling large assemblies, software developers compiling heavy projects, and data professionals running intensive analysis workloads. For all of these users, the biggest advantage is not just speed but time saved over long periods of work. Faster renders, quicker exports, smoother timelines, reduced waiting times, and the ability to multitask without performance drops, all of that adds up to a significantly more efficient workflow. And another key advantage is future readiness. With this level of hardware, you are not just buying for today, you are investing in a system that will remain capable for years, even as software becomes more demanding. This is the type of workstation that removes limitations instead of forcing you to work around them. You do not have to constantly think about whether your system can handle a task. You just do the work and let the machine handle everything in the background. And that is really the core idea behind this system. It is not built to impress with visuals or gimmicks. It is built to disappear into your workflow and simply perform at a high level without interruption. So when you look at everything together, the processor, the memory, the storage, the platform, and the design philosophy, it becomes clear that this is a serious production machine made for serious work. If your workload is growing or you are hitting limits with your current setup, this is the type of system that removes those barriers and gives you room to scale. Check the link in the description for pricing details and availability if you are considering upgrading to a professional workstation class system.